No camera, cable or fault stands in the way of this IP tester from Timeless Technologies. Not only IP cameras, but you can test every fundamental aspect of analog cameras and cables. Let's connect the camera for demonstration. Always check the camera's power requirements in the manual as not to damage any equipment. The tester comes with all the cables and connectors you need to thoroughly test an analog CCTV system. The tester delivers power through 12 and 24 volt DC and power over Ethernet. Connect the camera to the tester with an Ethernet cable and turn on the PoE port from the notification panel. Then to see the image, connect the BNC cable to the video in port. Open the Auto HD app on the home screen and the tester will automatically find the video format and play the video stream. The tester includes a DC power cable for cameras that require 12 volt DC. Connect the video cable to the video in port, and if your camera supports audio in or out, simply connect it to the tester's in or out ports. You can control an analog pan-tilt zoom camera through the tester's RS485 port. This tester also has TDR functionality. You can find the length of cables, spot weak connections, and identify short circuits in analog cables. Use the tester's TDR cable with the alligator clamps. Connect one of the clamps to the outer sleeve and the other to the inner core of the cable. Select the cable type and press start. This roll of cable is approximately 12 meters long and is open or disconnected at the end. And the tester will indicate if there's a short between the outer sleeve and the inner core. And then if we connect a longer cable at the end, the graph will indicate the change in length. To test the attenuation of a cable, you need two alligator clamps to connect to the video in and out port of the tester. First, calibrate the test by connecting both alligator clamps together. Then connect the clamps to either ends of the cable and you will pick up a good or bad attenuation. You can use the cable tracing probe to find one specific cable out of many. Connect your cable to the video out port and open the Cable Tracer app. Turn on the probe by holding the on button and scroll the wheel to adjust the strength. The nearer the probe's tip is to the cable, the louder the sound. The tester has VGA and HDMI in ports to use the tester as an external monitor. You can also project the tester screen to a TV with an HDMI cable. Thank you so much for watching our analog camera video. See you in the next one.